origin, but we know that probably they brought the wine with them from Mesopotamia. So there are, well, of course, the wine they used to produce was not the same as the one we are drinking now. As a matter of fact, all the winemakers try, there's been an evolution, and there's still an evolution in wine. So, well, I'm not going to give you too much explanation on how wine is made, because they're going to tell you at the cellar, they're going to tell you, they're going to give you technical and scientific information. I just want you to make you a little history of the wine. So the Etruscans were making wine and olive oil. And it was a different wine, not the same that we drink now, as I was saying earlier. As a matter of fact, looking back at history, we find documents that talk about wine, and they are mainly recipes to make Chianti wine. There's a document dated 1170, which is hosted in the Abbey of Parsignano. There's another one dated 1404. And we know by these documents that the Chianti wine was mainly white at that time, and now a Chianti